This luxury home is located in the prestigious guard-gated community of Blackstone at Vistancia, offering a private and secure living experience. Hi, I'm Kim Nathanson with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Arizona Properties, and I'm delighted to show you this gorgeous home. As you enter through the beautiful wrought iron door, you'll step into the foyer that leads to the formal living and dining rooms, creating the perfect setting for elegant entertaining. The open kitchen, complete with premium appliances, connects seamlessly to the spacious family room, providing a comfortable and inviting space for everyday living. The home also features a theater room, providing the ultimate entertainment experience for family and friends. With a thoughtfully designed split floor plan, this home features 4 spacious bedrooms, each offering privacy and comfort. Bedrooms 1 and 2 have a shared bath in between, providing convenience and access for family and guests. The third bedroom is around the corner next to the half bath. The primary bedroom is a true oasis, offering a peaceful retreat from the outside world. Split vanities, a large soaking tub, and separate walk-in shower make the morning routine easy. For those who require an extra space for workout or relaxation, a flex space off the primary bedroom is the perfect solution. If you value indoor-outdoor living, you'll love the 11.5-foot sliding glass doors that reveal the backyard and beautiful mountain views. Located on an oversized corner lot, this home boasts spectacular landscaping views and ample outdoor space for entertaining or enjoying the beautiful weather. Grill up great meals, sit under the extended cover patio, or sit by the fire pit on chilly Arizona nights. Enjoy the neighborhood park, including a half basketball court, playground, recreational lawn, shade ramadas, and a natural multi-use path that runs along the main roadway corridor, offering resident interaction and outdoor recreation. This home is truly a one-of-a-kind luxury property, offering privacy, comfort, and style in one of the most sought-after communities in the Vistancia area, which is also close to hiking and trails, many parks and recreation, the 303, restaurants, shopping, and more. If you'd like information about this beautiful home, contact me, Kim Nathanson, at 480-512-2501. Thank you.